Hello, I'm Christina with The Turned Leg. I love to salvage, repurpose, and create and help others to do the same. 2020 has been quite a year, I'm sure you will all agree. And at the end of my first year on YouTube, I thought I would take a second and flash back to show you some of the most memorable moments of 2020. Of course, there will be lots of junkin', there will be lots of furniture makeover, and there'll be lots of firsts. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. If I could just ask a favor, I would really appreciate if you could give it a like. And if you've not already done so, if you could click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and the bell. Thanks so much for all of your support. Now let's take a look at 2020 for The Turned Leg. "2020 was definitely the year of a lot of firsts. The year began with me moving out of my original booth, the little booth at Plaza Antiques and Collectibles Mall, and moving my project shop booth on the south side of the antique mall right next to my other booth. The focal point of my new display area in my project shop booth was going to be an old paint display that I was given by the owner of Plaza Antiques and Collectibles Mall. It needed a little bit of work before it had the old general store feeling that I was looking for, so I added a little DIY paint, dark and decrepit, to the bottom to give it that aged appearance. DIY, dark and decrepit, is a natural water-based stain that is so simple to apply. For more information on how to use it, click on the link above. Setting up a new booth is a lot of work, but the end result was definitely worth it. I started to do weekly lives. Hello, you are watching Piece by Piece with Christina. I'm Christina from The Turned Leg. I am a DIY paint retailer right outside of Detroit, Michigan. My booth space is in Lincoln Park, Michigan at Plaza Antiques and Collectibles. Thanks so much for watching. My show Piece by Piece with Christina is currently on the DIY Paint Facebook page on Sundays at 9 a.m. Eastern. I show people step by step how I transform a piece from start to finish. I also started to go live on my Facebook page, The Turned Leg, at 9 a.m. Eastern every Saturday morning. Hello, I'm Christina from The Turned Leg. I love to salvage, repurpose, and create, and help others to do the same. Thanks so much for joining me on Saturday morning. And I started this YouTube channel. My goal is to teach others how to salvage, repurpose, and create. And of course, there were a lot of furniture makeovers. Here are just a few. And of course, in 2020, there was lots of junking and picking. In March, with the closure of stores, I was forced to put together the online store I had always planned to have in about 3 days and get it operational. Now you can shop online at shoptheturnedleg.com. There were also lots of cool projects in 2020. And of course, I made some signs from salvage wood. I also stenciled on a vintage screen and found some great corbels to make into a corbel shelf. I did a little upcycling by turning an old suitcase into an end table. I challenged myself by using all 5 DIY paint waxes on one piece. "2020 also brought new products to the Turned Leg, like DIY Paint Candle Company and Sweet Pickins Milk Paint, and Salt Wash, more items to help you finish all of your projects. Thanks so much for watching this video. What a year it was. I wish you and your family a very happy new year and a very happy 2021. Thanks so much for all of your support for my little channel. I hope you will continue to salvage, repurpose, and create, and maybe let me help you along the way. Bye.